Look, I'm using my laptop camera for the first time ever to make a movie. I learned yesterday at the Apple Store from Greg, and he also taught me about the effects tab. Look, I know it's very like 1999, but do you think you could film a movie like that? You can.
Hi, I'm the Canadian Explorer. Nice to meet you.
But it's just Live at 5 is dead to me. Here's why. I had set out with the goal of making a movie a day, which I did 9 out of 10 days, but somehow along the way I lost my roots and I became the Canadian reporter. That's it. I'm done. This is the last time you'll ever hear my theme song. Cut, 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 upload. The end. No editing. Check in with you online. You can find me once in the morning, early afternoon, evening, and then probably once before bed around 9, and upload each time. So I'm going to try that tomorrow. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Talk to you tomorrow.